Clean electricity is electricity obtained coming from sources that do discharge air toxins, while environment-friendly power is energy obtained from natural resources. Very most significantly, power from plants and various other sustainable resources is held safely by attribute. Along with this in thoughts, in purchase to guarantee our continued wealth, we need to take activity to fight environment modification. The Green Program was created to take action to minimize garden greenhouse fuels released coming from our fossil fuel burning, while minimizing CO2 exhausts by 15% through 2030. The one power that creates sky has contacted the all-natural resource of power in the body system, not the power that helps make a creature jump. It contains no water to grow, but somewhat air to move it around. Eco-friendly power is energy created from sources that are consistently being replaced. Eco-friendly electricity is not eco-friendly, nevertheless. Wind is not made use of for electrical energy because it is being switched out every day with charcoal. On the contrary, coal electrical power supply is being replaced through sun thermic electrical power. The two electricity, solar and wind, are both sustainable and can easily be utilized all together without any further interference with electrical energy generation. The power used by each power source is likewise not renewable. These sustainable electricity resources won't work out, unlike fossil fuels and gas, and consist of wind and photovoltaic electricity. Wind and sun energy will definitely cost less than those for fossil fuels, 5%, and the charcoal, 6%. Solar is just one of many possibilities readily available for getting rid of carbon from the atmosphere through grabbing and taking in energy that hits Earth. However, while many green energy sources are sustainable, not all renewable power sources are viewed as being environment-friendly. But with the enhanced use of sustainable storage space modern technologies, the common house has additional energy, and hence far fewer greenhouse gasoline discharges. For instance, hydropower is a sustainable information, but some would argue that it is not green, since the deforestation and industrialization related to the building of hydro dams may wreck the setting. This kind of energy is important to maintain the planet coming from burning, yet there is actually a necessity to restrict carbon dioxide exhausts, to steer clear of any type of logging. Even though the weather is transforming quick, it may not be ideal for every climate. The ideal well-maintained energy mix develops where environment-friendly electricity meets replenishable power, such as with solar electricity and wind electricity. Some wind and photovoltaic producers use wind power for generating the electrical power required to function their company. Wind ventures are commonly the most promising and cost-effective way to build wind power. For instance, wind and solar energy jobs that employ thousands of individuals may possess additional possible than any of the hundreds of many thousands of wind farms and energy vegetations that currently exist in the United States. And simple way to always remember the distinctions between these different energy types is, clean electricity equals well-maintained sky, green energy equals natural sources, eco-friendly power equals recyclable resources, tidy power works through producing electrical power without having adverse ecological impacts, S. Since electrical energy needs significantly more electricity after that water to generate electrical energy, it tends to utilize a lot of energy, not simply clean water, in conditions of its capability to take in and keep it.